day, dear pupils. How are you today? Are you ready for today's lesson? If you are ready, let's start our lesson. The theme of our lesson, Revision, Unit 7, Journey into Space. Балалар, бүгінгі сабағымызда ғарышқа саяхат бөлімін аяқтап, қайталау сабағын үйренетін боламыз. Today, we will repeat the new vocabulary, answer the questions while watching the information, to talk about space, do some exercises using new words and word combinations. Now, at first, warm-up activity for you. Олай болса, балалар, наширату жаттығуларын өздеріңе ұсынамын. Put these names of planets in the right order. Планеталардың аттарын ретімен орналастырамыз. You have learned already them. Let's begin. Okay, check yourself. Ал енді тексереміз. The first planet is Mercury. The second planet is Venus. The third planet is Earth. The fourth planet is Mars. The fifth planet is Jupiter. The sixth planet is Saturn. The seventh planet is Uranus. The eighth planet is Neptune. Okay, write your pupils. Now, look at these pictures attentively. This is the Baikonur Cosmodrome Museum in Kazakhstan. It's a very popular and interesting place in our country. Here, you can learn all about the life of cosmonauts and see spacesuits and helmets. Outside the museum, you can even see a full-size model of Soyuz spaceship and a Buran shuttle. I think the best thing is going inside the Buran. You can sit in the cabin just like the pilot. And also there is the house of cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin. The second place which I'll talk to you is the National Space Center. It is in England. It is an interesting place to visit. It has got one of the largest planetariums in the UK. You can see lots of exciting things inside and travel to all the planets. There are some activities, fun activities too. Drive a car on Mars, see Venus in 3D, or take a photo that makes you look like an alien. It is great. Now, pupils, if you understood about these places, let's do some exercises. Task number 1, exercise 18 on your activity book. Read and write yes or no. Балалар, осы тыңдалған ақпараттарға сүйене отырып, бірінші тапсырманы орындаймыз. Сөйлемдерді оқып, иә немесе жоқ екенін табамыз. The first sentence. The National Space Center is in Scotland. The second. You can see spacesuits at the Cosmodrome Museum. The third sentence. The planetarium is one of the biggest in England. The fourth. You can see a small model of the Soyuz outside the museum. The fifth. At the National Space Center, you can drive a car on Mercury. The fifth. The cabin of the Buran shuttle is open to visitors. The next. There are 3D photos of spaceships at the Space Center. The last one. You can see the house of a famous cosmonaut at the National Space Center. Now, you know such kind of tasks. Let's do it. Okay, pupils, if you have finished, let's do the second task. Task number 2 is for reading and writing. Exercise 18 on your activity book 2. Оқушылар, келесі тапсырмада сөйлемдерді оқып, оған сәйкес келетін сөздерді тауып жазамыз. Керек сөздер тапсырманың жанында берілген. The first sentence is: You wear this in space. What is it? The second: It lets you see planets. And what is it? The third: It's a kind of spaceship. The fourth: Jupiter is one. The fifth: Astronauts live there in space. Very good, children. Now, pupils, let's conclude our lesson. What did you know about space, about planets or astronauts? Біз бұл тарауда балалар ғарыш туралы не үйрендік? Соны қорытындылап жіберейік. Олай болса, менің сұрақтарыма жауап берейік. Let's answer to my questions. The first question: How many planets are there in our solar system? 5, 8, 10. The second question: In what planet do we live? Saturn, Mars, Earth. The third question: Who is the first Kazakh astronaut? Yuri Gagarin, Tokhtar Aubakirov, Talgat Musabayev. The last one: Where the Baikonur Cosmodrome is situated? In Nur-Sultan, in Turkestan, in Kızılorda. Very good, dear pupils. I think you have learned a lot of things about space in this unit. If you have finished your tasks, send them to your English teacher. Тапсырмаларды мұқият орындап болғаннан кейін мұғалімдеріңе жіберуді ұмытпаңдар. Today's lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye, pupils.